I've seen a lot of questions about the points, right? And the fact that I think we did have some sort of whitelisting before or some sort of campaign. I actually participated, now that I remember.
Yeah,
But yeah, would be nice to touch base on that and learn more about like what's coming in regards to this.
sure. Yeah. So yeah, you can think of phase one as, we're opening up the pre-deposit vaults this week. There will be more communications and, direct communication, especially to the whitelisted users that, have already expressed interest on, how to access, right? So at Firelight.finance, we have the Git book launching this week that'll be publicly available with all the details. But really what phase one is, looking as pre-deposit vaults, zero slashing risk. You put your XRP into the Firelight launch vault, or Firelight launch vault, you receive your staked XRP, and we're going to have different deposit caps. So the points will really be tied back to if you were within the first deposit cap, which is going to be launching this week, and then as we meet to those deposit caps, we'll be kind of ramping those up over the next month or two, and really what points you get allocated or related to which deposit cap that you came in on. So if you start this week and you're in the first deposit cap, you'll receive 2x points boost, and we'll kind of work up from there as we release those deposit caps, right? So all that information and communication is going to be coming out this week, and I think it's important just to note that there's no slashing risk within phase one. You'll be able to just really park your staked XRP there, passively accrued points, and then phase two will open up early next year, and that will be the feature complete DeFi protocol where you can then use your staked XRP to basically provide DeFi cover to blue chip protocols like Aave and Morpho that we are and currently getting deals in place to basically ensure the major blue chip vaults across the biggest protocols that you know and love, right? So a lot more details going to be coming out about who the launch partners are, which protocols, but you can think of Firelight as really being embedded at the protocol layer with all the blue chip lending pools out there